So today I decided that I wanted to go ahead and use the Norvina palette. I think I've only used it once before, but not that much. So I think that it's only fair that today we use Dazzling as the start of the show. But I also wanted to use, I don't know, between like Dreamer, Rose Gold and Dazzling, or maybe Summer, Rose Gold and Dazzling. I'm not sure, but I do want to do a combination. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I went ahead and used these two, the Age Rewind and the Smashbox Primer. I wanna get the color base, okay? And I'm gonna use that to set that concealer, because I just applied it, so I just need to set it a little bit. So this is a nice fluffy brush. I'm still gonna go ahead and use this one to apply the transition shade. So for that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go into Incense right here. No, this one right here, that one. I'm gonna go ahead and go use that one. I'm gonna get a little more of the base shadow just to blend a little bit of that up here. You know, the primer and the concealer together, it made a really tacky base. I can feel it. That's why the shadow is like really showing up. Okay, so after you blend it to your liking, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, a JH34 with Eccentric right here. Okay, so just a little bit, not that much. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab the Anastasia brush. I really like these, especially the fluffy side. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of Incense and a little bit of base together. This is sort of creating my perfect transition shade, kind of. Okay, and then just top off the excess a little bit. And then with this, I'm gonna go ahead and blend both of the colors together, okay? Just to make sure that we don't see too many harsh lines. And even, I mean, you can even just do incense. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab just a little bit of incense by itself, so I can make sure that color shows up really nice. I feel weird because they're like smaller, a lot smaller than these. So I feel weird, like I'm just like grabbing it like this. These brushes are really good at blending, honestly. I really like, most of the time the brushes that come with the palettes are not that good. The ones that come in the Anastasia's palettes are really good. I really like them. Okay, so we have something like this now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab Passion, and probably I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of Eccentric too with it. I don't know, I want to make it a little darker, but we'll see. For sure I do want to use the Passion one on my outer corner. Okay, so let's see. And I'm gonna use this one since it is pretty fluffy. I feel like fluffy brushes help you use the right amount of shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so it's gonna be in the outer corner, but I'm also gonna drag it into the crease as well. Okay, so, and you can be as sloppy as you want. At the end, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a makeup remover wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe it up. Okay, I want to be a little more precise by adding color up here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, the JH31. See if this will help me be a little more precise on that. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Yep, this is a lot better. Yep. Okay, right now I went ahead and grabbed a little bit of Eccentric, and I'm blending the Shadow Passion. Who else thinks that the Urban Decay brushes, the ones that come in the Naked palettes, are really good for cutting the crease? I think so too. But lately I've been loving the Alamar Cosmetics brush. Is this one right here. It's just that flat one. We're gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this here, and we're gonna cut our crease. So I like to put it here, and then I kind of just look up a little bit, and then it'll mark right there, see? I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it in with my finger a little bit. That'll blend the concealer a little better. So now, with any other flat shader one, or your finger, we're gonna go ahead and get the glitters, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use Summer, okay? This one right here, and I'm gonna apply that here on the inner corner. We're gonna go ahead and grab now Rose Gold with my finger, and then I'm gonna apply this one right next to that one. Oh, it is so pretty. I had never swatched it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna need a brush so I can be precise on the line up here. And then I went ahead and grabbed a little bit of Summer, the first shade, on my pinky, so I can just make sure that we blend the line here between Summer and Rose Gold. And last but not least, our Dazzling shade right here, okay? And I'm gonna use my finger with that one too, since, you know, it's the last shade and I can be a little more messy towards the end. Oh God, this looks so beautiful. Definitely I have to use Rose Gold by itself one of these days. This is more of a nighttime look, so we just started early. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease and do the exact same thing on the other side, and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay ladies, so I'm back. As you can see, this is what we have so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my little makeup remover towel, and I'm just gonna clean a little bit, not too much, because I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, but I'll probably just fast forward. So I went ahead and put on my lashes. I just need to do my lower lash line and my inner corner and my mascara, and let's do that real quick. So for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go ahead and still go with Passion, so you can show the reddish color. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and use Dreamer, which is this one right here. And for that, I'm gonna use this teensy tiny one from Jaclyn Hill. Ooh, that's perfect. And then I just get some mascara on. Let's see. I'm gonna use this Total Temptation by Maybelline, and it's also waterproof. Okay, my Dazzling beauties, so I'm back. My card got full in the middle of me applying my mascara, so I just went ahead and pretty much finished what I needed, which was, I think, only mascara, oh, and lipstick, I think. But anyways, so the lashes that I'm wearing today are the Kiss lashes, and these these are the number 11. These were my favorites before the Pompadour, the ones that I used on my previous video, came out. So I mean, these ones are my right size too, and then I just popped them on, and you know, they look nice. They look pretty natural, yeah, like wispy. That's what I say with all my lashes, right? No, I mean, I feel like these are a little more natural than the other ones. I don't know, but I really like them. I love how they complement this eye look. Don't you think? Let me know. But anyways, these are the ones that I used. Pretty much I just went ahead and set my face with the Morphe spray. I did use earlier the Urban Decay. That one I used it earlier, so my makeup will like melt, and then once I'm completely done, then I just go ahead and like pretty much seal the deal with this one, or you know, or a little bit of this one, a little bit of the other one. I also use a little bit of the Fix Plus, so I mean, I just use a little bit of everything. And then for lipstick, I'm using this Revlon lipstick in the shade Pink Truffle. Very natural. I feel like it's my lips, the color of my lips, but better, obviously. And if you haven't tried Revlon lipsticks, they are very creamy. They're really nice. I mean, you just put them on. Of course, they won't last you as long or through anything, but they're so comfortable, like especially for the winter time, that your lips just get so dry really easy. They kind of remind me of the By Beauty lipsticks, but I think the By Beauty lipsticks are a lot more moisturizing, more rich. I don't know, but I mean, they kind of remind me. It could be like a cheap, almost dupe of the By Beauty lipsticks. But no, anyways, they're really nice. I love it. I mean, the sheen that they leave, they're very comfortable too. The pigmentation, I think it's right there. I went ahead and just pulled my hair back. I knew it was gonna be a busy day at the bank, so I didn't want to be struggling with, you know, my hair down and getting in my way or whatever. Plus, I wanted to wear this dangly earrings. I like them. I haven't worn them in a while. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Definitely. I have tried the Norvina palette before, but I hadn't used it like I used it today. I feel like today I really got to feel the shadows. Okay, I love how it looks. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like $1,000,000, honestly. That's how I feel right now. I love it. So for this makeup to be on more than 6 hours, I think it looks really nice still. You know, my highlight, my blush, my contour, everything. Okay. Well, that is all for today, my Dazzling Beauties. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I definitely had fun creating this eye look with the Norvina palette. If you guys don't have it, I will recommend you. But then again, I'm a makeup junkie, so you know, I just like everything. But I think this is a really nice palette. I think this is really worth it. Okay, my Dazzling Beauties. You know, I don't want to make this any longer. Okay, well, thank you so much for being here today. I love you so much, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Just tell me how your day is doing or anything, any constructive criticism. I love when you do that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.